Hello, lovely viewers. Today, once again, we are at Mama Francisca's kitchen. I am your host, Francisca. Today, we are going to learn how to make grilled chicken fried rice. And these are my ingredients. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, please kindly do so now because I have a whole lot of tutorials there from food, pastries, biscuits, cakes, sandwiches, bread, drinks, videos on marriage, dating, and love relationship, as well as my talk show. Let's start now. My ingredients are flavored rice, which I already have tutorials on it, so I'm going to put the link in the description. Carrots, the green parts of spring onion, the white parts of spring onion, vegetable oil, tossed French beans, green pepper, grilled chicken, shrimp powder, milled pepper. If you are outside the continent of Ghana, you can also use cayenne pepper, dark soy sauce. If you have the light soy sauce, you can also use it. Eggs, complete seasoning. I'm using one from Badia. The tools I'm using are only two. I'm using wok wooden spoon. Okay, so we are starting. If you just join us and you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, please kindly do so now because you have a whole lot of tutorials on all types of dishes, videos on marriages, dating, and love relationship, as well as talk shows. Okay, so we are starting with our grilled fried rice chicken. I've put my wok on there already. The first thing we are going to put in our wok is our vegetable oil, which of course we are not using too much because these days people are very careful about what goes into their mouth. Everybody is trying to avoid unnecessary sickness. Okay, so you just put in a little oil, and the first thing that goes in is our green part of the spring onion. Don't let the oil become hot before you put in. All that we are trying to do is to avoid our vegetables becoming brownish. We want to see everything looking much appetizing. So you put in your green parts of the spring onion. You stir from a minute to two. It depends on the temperature of your car. Okay, so you put in for about 2 minutes, a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the temperature of your cooker, as I said. Now mine is ready. The next thing I'm going to put in is my green pepper. We'll toss it for a while as well. No time wasting. All these vegetables can be eaten raw, so you don't need to over toss it, over fry it. We are talking about healthy. We are talking about healthy eating. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add, or the next commodity I'm going to add, is my carrots. Edidipa mpansefo soma hoto. Eat well so that you don't grow old earlier. So you stir fry for a while. Remember, we are not browning our vegetables. It's very important. Okay, so the next commodity we are adding is our green beans or French beans. Tossing continues. You toss for a while, and the ingredient that gave us the recipe, which is our grilled chicken, now comes into it. Oh la la. Okay. If you are watching me, this is Mama Francisca's kitchen. Like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's kitchen. On Instagram, Mama Francisca _2. On YouTube, Mama Francisca to the world. I'm smelling something better here. This is my website, www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org. Okay, so at this time, I'm going to add my egg. I've already added a bit salty water to it. Don't make it salty. So you whisk or beat it together so that the yolks and the egg whites as well as the salty water will mix thoroughly. Okay. Viewers, start cooking yours. Okay, so at this time you put in the egg all over the vegetables. And then you wait for a while. Let's go on. Now it is time for us. We can easily scramble our egg. So this is how it should look like. You are not limited to the number of eggs to use. Neither are you limited to the number of vegetables to use. It depends on personal preference. So we are still going on. Ejema, the gas will say. Okay. So at this time, I'm adding my shrimp powder, the only spice aside my secret spice, which is the complete. Don't use too much. We are not eating spices, we are eating fried rice. I love the smell. Okay. So at this time, we are going to add the chief ingredient, which is the flavored rice, which I have the tutorials on it. I'm going to put it in the description. Now you stir together. Please make sure you don't break the rice. So if you can watch carefully, I'm not using this side, I'm using this side. We also have some wooden stirrer, which most people who do the check use to fry their fried rice. You can get some. It will make things easier for you if you are cooking on a higher quantity. Actually, fried rice needs a whole lot of high heat, so you must give it a high heat when you put in the rice. It's very important. Only that we don't want the vegetable to discolor during the time that we were frying it. But now that we have put in the rice, please, you can make the heat of your fire higher. You need to keep stirring. Even if you stop, it shouldn't be more than some seconds. It should be fast. You don't want to get any brownish something under it. We now add our bell pepper. If you don't like it, this is optional. You can decide not to add it. It's optional. If you want it spicy, If you want it spicy, then you can add to it. But please not too much, just a little. You can see how nice our rice color has become. At this point, you can serve it without the soy sauce, if this is what you want. But if you want to add the soy sauce, please just a little, not too much. Okay. So, a dash of the soy sauce, just a dash. Then straight out, you start mixing it thoroughly, making sure that every part of the rice is mixed thoroughly. You don't want to have two-tone rice. Please share and ask a friend to share as well, because something good is happening here. I'm just wondering if you're a man watching me and you quickly do this to surprise your wife when she returns from work. If you're able to do that, you also have a surprise in the night. Surprise brings surprises. Don't forget, I'm your host, Mama Francisca, the love doctor. Okay, we are going on. The relationship therapist. I can't say anything without adding anything that has to do with wife, husband, and what you know. Add it there. Okay. The smell is very good. It's fantastic. It's appetizing as well. The color. And I tell you, it's tasty. So at this time, I'm going to add my last ingredient, which is the green part of the spring onions. There is a saying that too much of everything is bad, but too much of vegetable is not bad. It's rather nutritious. It gives good health. So add as much as you want. Also, the vegetables, you can add other ones. If you want to add baby corns, add. Cauliflower, add. Whatever vegetable you love best, add your best. There's no limitation to the type of vegetables you use. But for me, this is what I use all the time. If you are cooking this for a vegetarian, just take the chicken part off. Add more of the cauliflower to it as well. All right. At this time, if your rice, the flavored rice you cooked, was less of salt, then you have to correct it by first checking it. But mine was excellent and perfect, so no more checkings. Okay. So we are done with our grilled fried rice my way. This is Mama Francisca's Kitchen. Please, if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now. We have a whole lot of tutorials, food, pastries, cakes, salads, anything that goes into the mouth, we have it. Beverages, sandwiches. I also have videos on love, relationship, and marriage, as well as talk shows. So I'm done. I'll go off, serve it, and come and show it to you. Okay, lovely viewers, this is the end product. Don't forget, our chicken is already included in the food, so there's no need serving any chicken aside. This is Mama Francisca's special grilled chicken fried rice. watching Mama Francisca on Mama Francisca to the World, and we have a whole lot of tutorials there. This is one part of it. Don't forget, you have to share, tell a friend to tell a friend, comment, and let's move this big channel forward. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Mama Francisca to the World. We have a whole lot of tutorials on food, pastries, sandwiches, beverages, anything that goes into the mouth. We have tutorials on it. Also, I have videos on my marriage, dating, and love relationships. And also, I have one also on talk show. So I come your way once again. Visit my website, www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org. For enquiries of any sort, to talk to me, to WhatsApp me, to chat with me, it's +233-542-619011. Also, if you want the best school to attend, as I said, it's Frankie Vocational School in Abuna Stradrock, 02081-59427, and speak to the proprietors. So I come your way once again. This is Mama Francisca.